Hello, guys. Hello, everyone. How are you? How everything is going on from your side? Well, this is Kajri Mishra, and our today's topic is how to be happy, right? How to stay happy in our life. So, according to me, there are lots of things that you can select and you can be happy. But there are the things that are temporary things. You will get happiness, but only for a little bit time. You know very well that what are the things I'm talking about. Suppose that if you want to be happy, so I- I'll tell you some, you can say temporary things also, right? For example, you can take example of using phone. You can use your phone, you can use social media, Insta, WhatsApp, I mean, FB and all, right? And except that except that you can go with your friends. Suppose that if you are not happy, so you can spend your time with your friends. You can go for a party, and for a for sports, you can go for playing sports, and you can watch a movie, and you can listen songs. You can you can watch movie. You can listen songs. You can play indoor games as well, right? But these all are the temporary things, right? You, suppose that if you want to be happy, if you want to just these things are just like addiction. It will give you only, little bit time happiness when you take drink, right? When you take drink, then it give peace to you, right? Nobody can't deny with that it can't give, it don't give you peace, but only for some time, right? You can get the things from a medicine of, you can say, there is a medicine you can use for sleeping, right? It works like that, right? You can take drink, it will help you for a little bit time, but you know what, for a temporary time, for a temporary happiness, you will get happiness, but for a temporary time, right? But if you want to achieve something, or you can say if you want to get happiness for a long time, permanent happiness, so for that thing, firstly, you can say select that what you want to do. You know what, it takes lots of time. Even there are lots of people who are above 18, 20, right? Even they don't know that what they want to do. So firstly find out that what you want to do, right? What you want to do, and then after think that how I'll do that thing, right? First thing, select or find that what you want to do, and then after think that how you will achieve it, right? How you will do that thing that you can achieve that thing, right? And third thing is that, and third thing is most important and most toughest, you can say toughest thing, to implement it, right? Because implement thing is the first step forward your destination. If you have implemented, then obviously there is a chance that you can improve, you can say continue it, right? When you implement it, you have started to do that work, then fourth point is that you have to continue it, right? How you will continue it? If there will be, you can say, whatever the work you have started, so it should be, there should be your interest, right? There should be your interest for that continuity. If you don't have interest in that particular work, then nobody can help you. Anyhow, you continue it, but you can't complete it, right? You can't achieve it if you don't have interest in that thing. So, firstly, give your 100% to select the things what you want to do, right? Give your, you can say, 40% time, that what you want to do, really give your 140% time to think that what you really want to do, you know. Then after think that how to do it, then after implement it, if and then after if you have interest in it, So obviously you can do that work easily for a long time, right? So when you continue it, so obviously you will achieve it, and then after give your 100%, right? Don't think that you are tired. And you know what, if you will, I mean, implement or started your interested work you are interested in, so obviously you will not feeling like tired, boredom like this, right? So whatever the work you have think that you have started, right? So don't think that you will be tired. How long or how big dream you have select, just do it. And last but not least, believe on yourself. I know lots of people have said, but you know what? It really had means. It really means. It means a lot. If you don't have belief in yourself, then you can't do anything, right? Even you know very well you can do that work, but still because of, I mean, you can say, because of fear of, I mean, losing or fear of failure, right? You, if you're not started, then there is no chance that you can achieve it, right? So firstly remove your hesitation or fear that you will not achieve it, you will fail. So remove that thing. Then after implement it, give your 100%, believe on yourself. That's it, right? Then after you will easily achieve it, right? Okay, thank you so much guys for watching. Well, that's it from my side. So for today's topic, that's it from my side. But if I'll tell you that there is a long time I have not, you can say, make the videos for that thing, I'm really sorry.